May couple, away sila ng away, hindi pa sila married. And then, the guy, nagpa-counsel siya. Tapos sabi nung guy, grabe na, wala naman akong ginagawang any action to flirt with the opposite sex. And yet, grabe yung away namin, yung accusation sa akin ng girlfriend ko. A counselor, one of the friends na babae, ang counsel niya is, ang problema nyo, poor communication. And then, hindi agree yung counselor namin, kasi sabi ng counselor namin, alam mo Richard Maricar, hindi nila issue yung poor communication. In fact, they talk a lot. Jealousy yung branch issue. Pero the root issue is unhealed trauma nung babae about gaano kababaero yung dad niya at maraming anak sa labas, maraming pamilya. That hurt her so much kaya hindi siya makatrust ng lalaki. So anong nangyari, even walang ginagawa yung guy, naiisipan niya na, oh, siguro ganyan ka rin. So naninega yung guy and then naghiwalay sila. After naghiwalay yung boyfriend-girlfriend, si girl bumalik sa lesbian lifestyle niya kasi doon mo makikita na wala talaga siyang trust sa lalaki. Mas may trust siya sa babae.
Kasi pag babae daw, hindi masyado nag-cheat.
Yes. In fact, marami kaming friends na nagko-confide sa amin na, Richard Maricar, I still like boys, no? But, dahil sobra ako nasaktan and repetitive na yung pambababae at panloloko sa akin, I have now opened myself to lesbian suitors. And pag pinakinggan mo, ang root issue is, it's not that I don't like men. It's just I distrust them na sa sobrang pinagkatiwalaan and then sinaktan sila. Now they're ready to go female-female kasi nga, ang female, mas stable. Di ba, pag isang relationship, mas matagal sila eh. And they're not as palit-palit ng lalaki.
Siguro on an emotional level, mas nakaka-relate yung babae sa babae.
Exactly.
So, may ganun sila.